back to Jarrett the Journeyman. Today I'm going to show you a dust-free way how to clean your ceiling fan. So this process you're going to need two items, a step ladder and a pillowcase. So let's get started. So you're going to take your pillowcase and put it on the fan itself, completely encapsulating the fan blade. Apply pressure from the top as you're pulling it off, and as you do, the dust will get captured in the pillowcase and not fall on the floor. As you can see, it's in the pillowcase. Let's take a look. Looks like we need to do it one more time. Applying pressure from the top with your hand to get the dust. And there you go. You can see the before and the after. So if you guys do this to all your fan blades, you will get them dust free without causing a mess on the floor. Make sure you guys shake out your pillowcases before you put them in the wash, or you're gonna have a big old mud ball. Thank you for watching, and as always, be safe out there.